If you're looking for a new iron supplement, then IMAX is the one for you. Formulated with 150 milligrams of polysaccharide-iron complex for high absorption and gentle digestion, IMAX has been the one for me. Hi, I'm April with WTI. I will state that I am no doctor, so please contact yours before starting any new regimen. But I do love the fact that this is a vegan, gluten-free, and lactose-free product. The fact that this is a 3-in-1 formula absolutely amazed me. I truly love that not only does it provide me with the iron that I need, but it also gives me the vitamin C and B12 that I need. It's easy to swallow and it's easy for absorption. So not only do I get the iron that I need, but I also get the energy that I need. Just look how beautiful these are. I would definitely suggest IMAX to anyone, but that's just my point of view.